Hey guys, welcome to the corner. It is Saturday afternoon, like quarter after 2, and I'm home from grocery shopping with my mom. And she took me by in this town. There's a little flea market building. It is huge, and there it goes from one room to another room, and then there's a room off on the side, and then it was just a maze. Like we were getting lost in there. We didn't spend too much time in there, but I picked up a couple things she got me, and one of them was this little small circle punch, and it was only $1.25. So I got that. I thought it was super cute. And then she got me this book right here from Michael's. It's the Michael's Books of Crafts and Arts and Crafts. So it has tons of stuff in this book. We went through it really quick. And right here is the price tag. Originally $24.95, and she only paid $2.50. Yeah, it's like an antique flea market. There's so much stuff there. Oh my god, I would get so lost in there. But yeah, so there was tons of stuff in here. And so she got it for me, and it is heavy. And then I got this big old ball of trim. It's super cute. It's hot pink. Oh, my lighting is really weird today. I'll have my curtain on. See if I can open the curtain really quick. There we go. Oh, that's a little better. So, yes, so it's like a hot pink. It's bright. So I got that. Now I got to wind it up and put it with the rest of my trims. And then there was 3 small things of this one for $1.50. So I got 3 of these brand new fun fur eyelash trim, whatever you want to call it. It looks like it's a real bright. It looks like there's green, blue. It looks like a pinkish purple in there. Really super pretty. And yeah, so there's 3 of those, and I'm going to add one of these into our giveaway that we're doing, the big giveaway. Yeah. And then I got this bag for $1.99. I wanted to buy all of them. They have this size and about half the size. But it is so damn cool. And the first thing I thought of when I seen it was the journal cover. I can make 2 journals out of this. How cool is that? I love it. It's super cool. So yeah, awesome sauce. But yes, so a little update on Pixie really quick. She's feeling a lot better. I just can't get her to poop now. She hasn't pooped since yesterday morning. So hopefully she'll go soon. She did eat today, and she drank some water today, so she's doing a lot better. She's more herself this morning when we left, and I'm not as worried. I'm still a little worried, but she took her medicine good, so she's doing really good. But I just had to show you guys this. Technically, I didn't break mine and Squirrel's rule of craft shopping. I didn't buy it. I did buy the bag. That's the only thing I bought. My mama got the rest, so yeah. But I am gonna take Squirrel there one of these days. It's huge. When I go to places like that, I'd like to look at everything. There was so much chicken stuff there, Melissa. Oh my goodness, I thought of you so much today. But it's like there's nooks and crannies with just more stuff, and you go through one room and there's another doorway to another room, and it's so amazing. I think is what I'll do is I'll ask them when next time I go in there if I can do a quick video and just kind of like show the different things. There's 150 rooms between the first floor, second floor, and I believe there's a third floor, because there's 150 different vendors. It is so big, and it's in this small Amish town. So it's really cool, and I had fun going. And I went and got groceries, and It's hot as hell today, so. But later today, I'm gonna do a video of something. So yeah, so stay tuned. And we will catch you guys tomorrow for the live stream with Spanky the Squirrel. I think we're gonna go on somewhere between 1 and 2. I'm thinking more closer to 2, give or take. But just look on the Facebook group and you'll see the post. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.